Welcome to Texas Bearded Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're down at the beautiful Guadalupe River. Got my familia with me. Birdie, Coco, Liam. And we got the canoe. It's like a, I don't know, like a 15-foot canoe.
Woof Woof.
What about Woof Woof? Who's Woof Woof?
Lola.
Well, Lola's not here though. Anyway, we're gonna go.
It's like a 50-foot canoe.
Oh, it's like a 50-foot canoe. Birdie was cussing me on the way down here. Weren't you, Birdie?
Never, I don't cuss.
Well, in her head, she was cussing. So, we're gonna go in, try to put this sucker in the water.
Yep. Try to swim in it.
Yep.
See? Oh, and it's in it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Liam, why don't you go? Hold on.
Watch out.
Step right up here.
Dad.
Who next?
I'll just wait a second.
Go to the other side.
Go to,
Fine.
but just remember, canoes tip very easily. Where's the paddle?
The paddles are right there.
Okay. Yeah, somebody is fishing. I'm just trying to figure out how to get in without flipping anything.
See, that wasn't that bad. She just did the shimmy underneath the bar to get one back.
It was like a freaking walrus pose.
Next time we come, we'll bring some fishing poles.
Next time.
Yep. Gonna do this. Try to do this quite often. Liam, pick your oar up. You're dragging.
We need to figure out a different configuration, like the sitting. It's a matter of time before these two smack each other in the face. Dang, look at that tree, that double tree.
So what I think should happen, oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's got two trees coming out of one trunk. That's crazy.
Whoa.
Grab the sides. Try not to move suddenly, okay? That's how these things tip. Now, Liam, you sit in the middle.
Liam, scooch over. There you go. There's your oar. Now you keep your oar on this side. Look at it on this side.
There we go.
Now nobody's getting smacked in the face.
Good job, guys.
Now, we may want to try to sit in the middle.
Wait, when are we going to get in the water now?
Let's go up to these rapids right here, and we'll get out. Okay?
Mom's probably going to stay in the canoe.
No, I bet she'll get out.
She said she wouldn't get in the
Well, it's deep here. Oh yeah, I can't even reach bottom with my. This would be a good fishing spot.
Dad, could I even get the bottom over here?
Nope,
No.
it's deeper than my paddle will reach.
Look at these big old trees.
So what I'd like to do sometime, and I don't know if Mommy would ever do it, is do a canoe trip and camp out on the bank. You think she'd do it?
No,
I don't think so either.
I know Birdie would do it.
They make buckets for that.
But I see some ground.
Yep, trying to go aground so we can get out. Oh, this thing drives so shallow. We didn't even go aground. Okay.
I can get out.
Okay. Y'all can get out if you want.
I'll get going.
No, with your shoes on.
Yeah.
Leave your shoes on.
Okay.
I don't.
They can get out, babe. I've got it. We're not gonna flip.
Oh. Yeah. I don't know about getting out, Dad. I think we should go.
Why? You're out already.
What's the matter?
You want to take your life jackets off?
I don't know.
Take it off.
What do you guys want then?
You want to go? You want to go tromp around? Go tromp around over there.
I just wanted to go like a little bit farther.
A little bit farther. What?
Well,
Oh,
not
with
much
the-
up because the current it wraps around at the head, and I don't know that it would. There's going to be much.
Dad, do you want to get out?
I don't have my. All I've got is sandals. I don't have my river shoes,
Okay.
so I messed up because I didn't bring them. So I'm not gonna really be getting out.
But you know they don't even have. They don't have any usable.
They need to make some.
They could, yeah, if they wanted. Whoa. But
Water feels kind of warm.
Feels good, doesn't it?
see, that does not feel warm.
Daddy, you know, you could just get it without your shoes.
Is it?
It's not funny. Sure.
What?
Let's just jump around.
Oh, he's got a paddle and a bat. I put a little water on Birdie's back, and she's gonna smack me with the paddle. What the heck?
You too.
Oh. Don't get mommy all wet. She doesn't want to be all
I
wet.
don't want to be all wet. That water is really cold for me.
We're not going to stay here?
No, baby, it's already 7:30 anyway.
Well, hey, this was just an experiment to see
Yeah.
how we would do. Okay.
This was the maiden voyage for Mr. Aluminum here.
Liam, just have a seat right here.
Okay, are we going?
Let's go.
All right,
So, Liam,
pushing off. Sometimes I wonder why we're selling. We're so close to the river. Of course, this is the first time that we've ever bought a canoe down here, or a kayak. I had a kayak for
yeah,
8 years and ain't ever used it. Shame on me. Right, Birdie?
shame on you. Oh no.
You just duck.
I can't duck. I can. I'm on this. I can.
Man, ouchie.
Hey, Shane.
Hey,
What's up?
not much. What's going on?
Just, you know,
Hanging out. Yeah, beautiful day.
canoeing.
Good, good. Just caught some perch. Gonna go for a capture.
Awesome.
Y'all
We're
getting out right here?
yeah.
All right, cool.
That was a fun trip down to the river with the family. Not a lot happened. We just had a good time, just hanging out. Next time we're gonna take some fishing poles, go down there for a little bit longer. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. Visit me on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kiddies do all kinds of great stuff over there. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies. I was just kidding, man. I never done this before. I want everybody on it. Everybody.
Yeah.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken?
Is that DNR?
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.